Hi everyone, I'm Rahul Jain from Rash Technology, showing how information can be broadcasted from one single point of contact to another, like to many number of people in the nodes of a network. Now the video following uh, my sentence would be only for Jito Business Network, that is JBN, but it can be extrapolated to other networks, be it business network or be a society network, be it Jito, be it any other network such as World Banya Forum also. So to tell you about the use case, what we're going to do ahead is that there is a database of many people, and there are tags associated with each one, but we have to only target one person in that whole lot of 11 to 12 people, and that's what we're going to show, that how can we target that one single person there by adding the tags that are required and excluding the tags which might overlap the tags that we've put in. So if I'm putting in North Zone contains 8 chapters including North Delhi, New Delhi, East Delhi and many several more. But if I have to target only to North Delhi, then what would I do is that I'd add North Zone, but I'd remove New Delhi and the other chapters. So what remains is only the North Delhi chapter. So the message would only flow to North Delhi. So that's how the video is going to. So here is the database that I was talking about at the right. At the left, I've saved Rahul Jain with the tags as highlighted, which is, as you see in the right, coordinator, office and factory, North Delhi, North Zone and JBNB. So now I have to target only Rahul Jain out of the lot of 11 people. What would I do is I'd first go to broadcasting, where I've already saved the template that has to be sent. Now the template has some variables wherein, so if I'm targeting only Rahul Jain, so it would say hi Rahul, and it would say my duty as office and factory. So similarly it would happen. Now I'm including that it has to go to JBN coordinator, to the office and factory coordinator, to North Delhi people. Now if you see that what I'm excluding is New Delhi I'm excluding, but you would say that North Zone has not been included yet. It will be. I'm excluding the conveners, the attendance coordinator, the visitor host, and I'm adding above North Zone only. So it would be sent to North Zone coordinators who are in the office and factory visit, but it would exclude the New Delhi people, it would exclude the East Zone, it would exclude other zones. And if you see at the bottom, it's saying targeted subscriber is only one. And I can also schedule the message. There are dynamic tags as to if I am to send it to multiple other coordinators. So it would say hi Rahul, office and factory visitor, hi Ayush, visitor host, hi Faguni, attendance coordinator. So that's how it's going to be. And I can see in the campaign that it has been sent. After the sentence, I'll also show that how it will reach the audience, and I'll share a screenshot of when it reached. So I think the video was able to explain the capabilities of the system, but I do know that the system is not very easy to understand within a 3-minute video. So we can always schedule a call with the details that are mentioned with the video. Uh, the intent of the video is to show that how to disburse all the information within all the parts of the organization would be very easy if we first have a database that has been input in the system with the correct detail. But then once we know how to use the system, it is very easily usable, and one need not calculate who to send, how to send. It is just we have to put in the correct tags and the information would flow accordingly. If there are any doubts, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always here for assistance. Thank you so much. It is Rahul Jain from Rash Technologies.